Hello, these are bits and pieces of my travel 2004. Come and join me in my trip going to Taiwan and Macau. Lika, sabay-sabay nating ikutin at enjoy. Come with me. Yan, that's my room in Macau. Pagod ako dyan kasi dumating ako 10 p.m. na. Napakahabang biyahe. Yan, kinabukasan ikot-ikot agad dyan sa Senado Square and ruins of St. Paul. Then, tuloy agad ako the next day dito naman sa Macau Venetian, Londoner, and